A city locked tight, walls too strong to break. No weapons could destroy it. But God gave a strange command: walk and stay silent. Can obedience really bring victory? Welcome. This is Pastor Samuel John. Today we are studying Joshua chapter 6 verses 1 to 4. This message will show you how obedience to God brings impossible victories. Jericho was completely closed. No way in, no way out. This was an impossible situation. Before the battle even began, God declared victory. No attack, no weapons, no shouting, just walking in silence. They did not argue. They did not question. They obeyed. God's presence was in the center. The ark led the way. Just as Joshua led the people to victory, Jesus leads us to spiritual victory. I have walked with the Lord for 46 years. Through many challenges, God remained faithful. Since 2019, through fire prayer, my life has changed. When I obeyed God, I saw victory. Your Jericho may be sin, fear, sickness, financial struggle. Today, God is calling you. Stop trusting your own strength. Start obeying His word. If you ignore God's voice, you may miss your miracle. Stay faithful. Keep walking. Your walls will fall. Like, share, and subscribe. Write your prayer request in the comments. Let this message reach the world.